Hello, if you're watching this course, you are probably getting ready for the summer semester, and our learning management system is D2L. This video is going to introduce you to D2L, our summer chemistry course at Del Tech, and how this all works. And so as you land on the page, you should come to this, what you see right here on the screen. The place that we are going to be living is in content. In the content section of our page, in this blue bar across the top, are all of the things that you're going to need to get started. And so what we suggest is that you start here. Now, the thing about D2L is that when you see one of these folders, when you open it up, there can be several other things in there. So in Start Here, there was course information. So here is all the information that you are going to need for this course. There are some student resources for you. Help working with technology, because all of your assignments besides your in-person exams will be submitted through D2L. And so sometimes people need a scanner or an app on their phone to scan the documents in order to submit them. And so everything you really need for this course, other than the live labs and the in-person tests, is actually located right here on this website. So it's super helpful. And so you can see as you're opening each folder, there are other folders inside. For example, here is our course schedule. Summer session is a 10-week schedule. And so here are all of the things that you have. Typically, our assignments will be due on Wednesdays and Saturdays, mostly on Saturdays. And each unit will be accompanied by several labs, and here are some lab resources. In order to work in the lab after this first night of class, you will need to go ahead and take our safety course and watch this safety video. So lots of help for you for different calculations in the lab. Our course this year is broken into 4 units, and here they are. All 4 units. Each unit has several topics which are identified here with tons of information about them. So if I open this folder, you can see I've got information on matter and measurement, heat energy, atomic structure, nuclear chemistry, electrons in the periodic table, and then supplemental resources, other things to help you. At the end of each little section, you're going to learn a little bit about that from reading the information here. And then here are all the sources of information that you would need for this portion of the Unit 1. And so that's just a little bit about chemistry and how it operates with our learning management system, D2L. I look forward to seeing you in class on Tuesday evening, our first evening of class. And if you have any questions, feel free to bring them along with you. Otherwise, I'll see you on May 20th at 5:20.